especially in the social media age. I think a lot of people are doing too much to their skin. They're being too aggressive, too many products. And what's happening is it's resulting in a lot of bad reactions in terms of allergic reactions, acne, or other problems. So you really have to be gentle. Okay, so we really want people to just use one product at a time. Anytime you're introducing a new product to your skin, you want to give it about 2 weeks to see if it agrees with your skin. And then if it does, then you can add another product. I see very frequently in my practice people who start these 10 or 12-step regimens, and then all of a sudden the products interact with each other, or they develop a lot of irritation. So I think one of the most important things you can do is just less is more. Let's put it that way. Keep it simple.